Hello and welcome back to Pharmacy Notes. In this video, we will be discussing medication adherence and sharing tips and tricks for sticking to your medication regimen. So, without wasting any more time, let's start today's video. Why is medication adherence important? Taking medication as prescribed is crucial for managing many health conditions, from chronic illnesses like diabetes and hypertension to acute conditions like infections. When you don't take your medicines as directed, you may experience worsening symptoms, complications, or even hospitalization. In fact, studies suggest that poor medication adherence costs the healthcare system billions of dollars each year. So, it is very important to stick to our medication so we can achieve the maximum benefits from the drugs and our disease can be cured quickly and on time. Barriers to medication adherence. So, what makes it challenging to adhere to medication regimen? There can be a number of factors that can contribute to non-adherence. These can be forgetfulness, cost, side effects, and lack of understanding about medication's benefit or how to take it properly. Tips and tricks for improving medication adherence. Number 1. Keep a medication schedule. Write down the name of each medication, when to take it, and how much to take it. This can help you stay organized and remember to take your medication on time. Number 2. Use pill organizers. Pill organizers can help you sort your medications by day and time, making it easier to keep track of what you need to take and when. Number 3. Set reminders. You can use a phone alarm or a reminder app to promote you to take your medication at right time. Number 4. Talk to your pharmacist. Your pharmacist can provide education on your medication, including how to take it properly and what to do if you miss a dose. This can also help you find solutions to any medication related challenges you may be facing. Number 5. Address cost concerns. If you are struggling to afford your medication, talk to your healthcare provider or pharmacist about potential cost-saving options such as generic versions or assistance programs. And number 6, be honest with your healthcare provider. If you are having trouble adhering to your medication regimen, don't be afraid to speak up. Your health provider may be able to adjust your treatment plan or offer additional support to help you stay on track. In conclusion, medication adherence is crucial for managing many health conditions, but it can be challenging to stick to a medication regimen. By these tips and tricks, you can improve your chances of staying on track with your medication and achieving better health outcomes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.